What is up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to use Astrix Tweaks, how to use and download them. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your web browser and search up astrixz.com. Have it linked down in the description. This is our website. We have 289 tweaks. We got FPS numbers right here. You can explore it live if you want. So we got 12 categories here in all of our tweaks. We do have paid tiers. They're one-time payments, $0, $5, and $10. And here's what each plan does. Here's what it gives you: 90 tweaks, 130 tweaks, and 289 tweaks. This is what it gets you. So I'm going to be showing you how to use it. First, you're going to go ahead and download it from right here. I'm going to have this download. I do already have this downloaded, so I don't really need to download it again. So I'm just going to open it in my folder, and then I'm going to right click, run as administrator, click yes, and it's going to start Astrix, and here you go. So this is Astrix right here. You have temperatures, processes. We have a process diet, which will kill all your unnecessary processes. We got kill background processes. It'll do the same thing. This does it to a certain process in Task Manager. This does it to anything that's like in your background. So we have network settings right here. Flush DNS, reset. Right here, and here are the tweaks right here. So we can go ahead and collapse all if we want. So we got performance, power, memory, gaming, network, privacy, interface, system, security, cleanup, updates, and bloatware tweaks. So these are all the tweaks, and you can clear all these if you want, or just clear everything out here. It does say 71 out of 292 still because of Windows settings right here. These are Windows tweaks right here, so I can go ahead and clear. And then these are the real tweaks, not Windows tweaks here. So we can go ahead and select these tweaks, or you can press arm all in performance, so it'll arm every one of them except some like moderate ones that you might want to look at the descriptions of before you want to run that. So we can go ahead and hit run optimizations. It's going to apply, and so it applied optimizations here. Now optimizations with this little arrow thing is you have to restart your PC in order for that to take effect. We also have disk cleaner, drivers. It just goes up to the Windows update. Services, you can disable or enable any of these. We do have Wi-Fi settings right here. Just go into the Wi-Fi settings. Scheduler, disk health, Fortnite. So you can check your Fortnite settings, and then it'll optimize your Fortnite settings for better FPS. You can cap your FPS to anything that you want right here. Fortnite does have to be closed for you to set this. So I can set this all the way down to 30 right here. So any number between 30 and 1,000. We have a benchmark right here. Run the benchmark. And we also have the game boost. So you can close every single app except the game that you're running and Discord. You can scan for frame rate thieves, which is apps the process is taking up your frame rates. We got pro balance, game priority, permanent rule for a game, and we got these CPU settings right here. The description is right here. We do have a RAM booster, so if I go ahead and open up Task Manager, and then go to Performance, go to Memory, you can see I have almost nothing running, and I am using 7 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna hit Boost now, and I cleared out about a gigabyte of RAM. And if your RAM is filled more, you know, it will clear out more there. And you can also free GPU memory, but I don't think I have any memory to be, yep. So yeah, that is how you use Astrix Tweaks. See y'all in the next one.